Okay, so we pretty much took everything out of the pantry and now we're just cleaning the shelves. So I just have a bucket with some dish soap and a little bit of Clorox just to really disinfect everything. However, we did run into this problem right here. So I already took this out of this shelf down here, but there's these things that you can put in your pantry or in your doors, basically so that the utensils and stuff doesn't slip. But if you don't replace this every so often, it can start to stick to the surface, which then is a pain in the butt to take off. So yeah, I don't really recommend these. I would just do maybe like a little towel or something, but I rather just get non-slip containers instead of putting these guys, and then you're left with this. So I'm just taking a sponge, a dish sponge, and I'm just kind of scrubbing this with my little solution. But I did notice that when you do use this guy, it kind of does take some of the paint off, which is kind of a bummer, but you can't really tell, as you can see on that shelf. Good thing is we only had this in 2 shelves. But the other thing you can use is just a dishcloth here. But this is going to take a little bit more power here from your arm. But it does come off, so that's a good thing. So I'll check back in a few minutes. Okay, so we just went ahead and we wiped down all of these cabinets. We're going to do one more wipe with a Clorox wipe, but as you can see, that did come off pretty good. Now we're just going to mop, and we're going to go ahead and clean the store, and then we should be able to organize after that. Okay, so I decided to also do this cabinet right here that's right next to the pantry because they do go hand in hand. So we have a lot of our snacks here, teas, and a lot of the baking stuff also went here. So I'll show you where that is. So here's a lot of our baking stuff that also was in other areas of our kitchen. But yeah, so here's what we have. So we have these baskets here. You can get some of these similar ones at Dollar Tree, very inexpensive, $1. So this is where we're going to put a lot of the baking stuff, that way it looks organized. Okay, so here are the 3 baskets that we have, and everything in here is for baking. So there's like chocolate chips, these are no sugar chocolate chips, baking powder, flaxseed, some slivered almonds, some raisins, flour, shredded coconut, monk fruit. So everything here is for baking. Okay, so same thing, we're just taking everything out and then cleaning it, cleaning the surface, and then reorganizing.